So hey guys, in this video we are going to cover the topic which is the problem based on arrays. So we'll start our problem, and in order to understand we need to first know the array, how it works in JavaScript. So first we'll create an array. Let's create an array. Using the let keyword I am creating the array and filling the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we can access the element using indexing. So you need to remember that the index always starts from 0 onwards and it goes until size minus 1, which is length minus 1. So in order to access the first element, what we need to do, you need to watch this video. First element equals to array, and in the square bracket notation will provide the index. This will help to access element from the array using the square bracket notation. So indexing, I told you that it starts from 0 onwards. So let's see the output in the console log, and we'll say that the first element of the array, we'll see what will be the first element of the array. So you can see right on your screen, if we console log the first element, then we get 1 as output. So 1 will be the output. You can see on your screen that first element gives us 1. So second element is 2, third is 3, fourth is 4, and fifth is 5. 0 to 4, which is 5 elements on the array. We can also access the length property. In order to know the size of the array, we can use the length method predefined by JavaScript. You can use that length method. So you can calculate the length using dot notation, array dot length, and you can console log that out to see if that length is properly displaying or not. So you can console log this out using the console method, which is console.log, and print the length. It will give you the length, which is 5. You can see right on your screen we get 5 as an output. So 5 is the length of this array. Moving to the next method, which is how can we add elements in the array. What are the ways that we can add elements in the array? I'll show you the ways to add element from the given set of input. You can add elements in this array using the push method. Push method, have you any idea about push method? If not, then I'll tell you that this method is very useful in JavaScript. To append element inside the array or the given set of arrays, we can use push. The main idea of push method is that it inserts element from the very end of the array. So I'm inserting 12, 13 and 14. So this will be inserted inside that array from the back. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12, 13 and 14. It adds element from the end, as I have already told you. If we console log this and check the array, the given set of arrays, then the element will be inserted and appended from the end. So we'll get an output as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12, 13 and 14 as an output. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12, 13 and 14 as an output. So moving to the next part, where we'll remove an elements. There are some methods provided by JavaScript in which we can also remove elements. So how to remove an element from an array? We'll look at the output and see some examples. So in order to remove, JavaScript provides us one method, which is pop method. It removes the element from the end. There is a difference between push and pop, is that it adds from the end and it removes from the end. If you want to remove some element from the end, then you need to call the pop method, and it will remove the element which was inserted last, or the array element containing the last element. It will remove that element from that array. So if you console log this out, then you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12, 13 and 14 will be removed from the array. That's it. Thank you for the next. We'll see you in the next video.